Hey, girls.
Okay, well the day is here. We have finally gotten our meat birds. And Eric is putting them in.
Stick their nose down in the water. So they know where the water's at.
We got 25 Cornish. We're going to start them out all on one side while they're little like this.
You videoing that one? It's already drinking. Taking a bath, rather.
It said, oh, thank you, thank you.
We made this brooder for our hens last year.
One's found the food.
Yeah. And if it gets too crowded, we can split them up. Put half on the other side. That one's standing in the water drinking. Cooling his feet off.
But we're doing this in an effort to be more self-sufficient. And we eat a lot of chicken on the homestead. And we're a small homestead. We don't have room for a cow. So
they look like they happy. And if there's anybody that knows what this black chick is right here, black and gray chick, please let me know. I'm not familiar with that type of bird, and I'd like to know what kind of chick that is. That was our freebie for buying all the meat birds. I'm not sure what that is, but I'd like to know. But they're the birds, and we'll take you guys all on our journey as it progresses, and hopefully we'll be able to show you the process of butchering and all, and bagging. We're going to do the whole process all the way to the freezer and take you guys along. So
growing.
Yeah, and hopefully you guys follow along and watch this process. We're excited about it. It's our first time doing it. And
it's a good thing for our homestead.
Yeah, we're excited about it. So hopefully you guys will follow along and maybe find some use out of this too. So please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Have a blessed day.